Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps to install the Breezy Movie app on your iPhone. Let's begin by unlocking your iPhone. Now, go ahead and open the App Store. Once the App Store is open, look at the top right corner of your screen and tap on the profile icon. Next, tap on your Apple ID, which appears right at the top of the screen. You might have to wait a few seconds while the next screen loads. After the screen finishes loading, scroll down and tap on the option called Country Region. Now tap on Change Country or Region. You will see a full list of countries. At this point, you need to select a country where the Breezy Movie app is available. Two good options to try are Pakistan or the United Kingdom. Tap on the country you want to switch to. Then you'll see Apple's terms and conditions. Tap Agree to continue. On the next screen, you'll be asked to choose a payment method. Select the option that says None. Now, you need to enter some address details. Type in a street name, a city, and a postal code. You'll also need to enter a phone number. This doesn't have to be your real information, but you do need to fill in all the fields. Once all the details are entered, tap Next or Done in the top right corner of the screen. After that, your App Store region will be changed to the new country. Now close the App Store completely. Swipe it away from your recent apps to make sure it's fully closed. Then, reopen the App Store and tap on the search bar at the top of the screen. Type in Breezy Movie and tap the search button. Look through the search results. If the app is available in the region you selected, you should see the Breezy Movie app appear in the list. When you find it, tap on the app to open its page. Then tap the Install button to begin downloading it, just like any other app. And that's it. That's how you install the Breezy Movie app on your iPhone.